Friends, Namaskar. You have been told constantly since childhood, rather brainwashed, that the Aryans came into India. You are Dravidian, the Aryans from the north attacked you, and so on. These are the stories which have been told to you constantly to divide you. Now they say Sri Ramachandra was born in the north. He does not belong to us. Whatever happens, happens in the north. That has nothing to do with us. You will accept religions coming from outside India, like Christianity, Islam, etc. You will gladly embrace Marx, Lenin, Mao, and such other people. You have no problems with that. You will gladly speak English language and ask and force your children to speak English. That's a foreign language, but that is okay for you. You will learn French, German, Italian, everything is okay for you. Italians are okay for you. But when it comes to your own land, you will discriminate. You say Aryans came from outside. When did this Aryan come from outside? Have you any idea? Who told you first, for the first time, that the Aryans came into India from the outside? Do you have any idea? What was outside and what was inside? Have you any idea? Somebody found a coin in the Arabian desert or somewhere, and therefore there is the theory that the Aryans invaded India and they attacked the south and so on. And you are Dravidas, they are Aryas, you are separate, they are separate. All such nonsensical brainwashing has been done to you by whom? Indologists, 2 or 3 scholars sitting in the room with books all around, rotting without understanding a word of Sanskrit language. And they wrote and you listen to them. Are you so cheap? Don't you read? Why don't you read? Why do you listen to your politicians who want votes? In order to get votes, they are trying to divide you as much as possible. In order to convert you and your children to their religions, wicked people are using all sorts of techniques nowadays. They are disguising your own deities, your own Deva Devis, utilizing your own photographs to create confusion in your minds. Wake up, O Hindu! No Aryan invaded India. Starting from the northernmost tip of the Himalaya, or still further on, to the southernmost tip of the ocean in the south, everybody is an Arya. We are all Aryas. If these people talk nonsense about the Aryan invasion of India, when did this happen? 5 years ago? 10 years ago? 10,000 years ago? 50,000 years ago? After that, millions of wars have taken place, millions of kings have come and gone, tsunamis have taken place. Everything has changed, and yet you will hold on to some nonsensical theory of Aryan invasion. And you will gladly accept these religions which are coming from outside and converting you, insulting your motherland, insulting your customs, insulting your traditions, constantly utilizing everything, burning your traditions, even stopping your factories. What has happened to you, O Hindu? Wake up! Stop all this nonsense. Study the books. Study your scriptures. Study your shastras. You said your Tamil is greater than Sanskrit? Perfectly okay. Let your Tamil be the original language. What is wrong in that? Your Tamil was 100 million years ago. Perfect. There is no quarrel about that. Sanskrit came yesterday. That is okay. You have no problem studying English. You have no problem studying French or German or anything. You are so proud that you will call your father daddy, mummy, etc. But you hate Sanskrit because that is an Indian language. And then you hate the Brahmanas, the Brahmin. What has the Brahmin done to you? Has he killed you? Those who killed you by the millions, those who molested your women, you embrace them. And you hate the poor Brahmana who is struggling for a little piece of bread. Is this your culture? Is this your education? Have you no awakening? Why don't you wake up? listening to these politicians who are after money, wealth, etc., listening to these conversion machines, you are destroying your own culture, your own civilization, your own dharma. What has happened to you? You are all the children of light. You may be dark in color, I may be green, somebody else may be blue. You go to the supermarket, you will find 10 varieties of mangoes. If there is only one variety of mango, you will say, I don't like that. Wake up, O Hindu. Wake up your children. Tell them that such theories that the Aryans came into India and so on are all nonsense. Absolute nonsense. Ramachandra is our ideal. Mother Sita is our ideal. Our Rishi Munis are our ideals. Bhagavan Sri Krishna is our ideal. Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, Mother Sri Sharada, Swami Vivekananda are our ideal. You said your saints are your ideals? Perfectly okay. They are not excluded from anything. There is nothing called Aryan invasion. There used to be invaders from time to time who used to loot India. Swami Vivekananda says that the world has become richer and richer several times over due to the wealth of India. India produces wealth and the world has taken it. At the same time, they have destroyed you while going back. Wake up, O Hindu. We are all one and let us be united. Jai Shri Ramakrishna. Harihi Om Tat Sat.